Hi, if you're a Walsall tenant looking for a one-bedroom town centre apartment, I think we found the ideal property for you. The property we're going to show you around today and do a complete walkthrough video on is actually based in the heart of the town centre. Just behind us we have the Walsall train station, and to my left and to your right over there we have the art gallery. So it's right next door to the art gallery, and behind that there's some restaurants and pubs and the cinema. What used to be the British Home Stores has now closed down. There's multiple stores and shops over there, and to your left over there is going towards the Saddler Centre and the other side of Station Road. So looking at this property, the one bedroom apartment we're going to show you today is at Crown Lofts and Gallery Square. Okay, so I'm going to show you around today, and upstairs we'll catch up outside the flat where I'm going to take you in and do a complete walkthrough video tour. Okay. Okay, so we've come up to the second floor. Obviously you can see a lift access. We've got stairs to the second floor as well. And we'll turn around and take you into the flat now. Okay, so here we go. Entrance to the flat. If we come in, and we'll take a left first into the main living room. Okay, so you can see it's all hardwood flooring throughout the flat except for where the kitchen is. It's really light. You see these windows are, really big windows. Lots of light flooding into this. I really like this flat. It's got a really good feel to it. It's nice and warm. There's aerial points and TV points, telephone sockets over here in the corner. The previous tenants had sofas over there, sofas to where the camera is standing now. You got some more points over here with your double sockets. On this wall, plenty of sockets going on. This is your Honeywell digital room thermostat, and which leads you straight into your open plan kitchen. Now in this kitchen, I'll let the camera go in first, let the camera just show you. You've got an integrated washing machine, and we have a integrated fridge freezer as well, and obviously an oven and hob. So we're kind of ready to go. Everything is in place with this flat. We've had long-term tenants here for about 3 years, and they're just vacating, going on to a house because they've had a family. So if we come through now, just this place, this is your hallway. We just came in through this door. This was your front door. You've got your alarm control panel here, your intercom system to let people in at the front door. And just off here, let me just put this light on before we go into the bedroom, is your bathroom. And let me just put this on. If you want to go into the bathroom and just show that around. So you've got, to your left, you've got the WC, wash and basin, and I'll just close this door for the shower. Enclosed shower room. Okay. Really functional, practical. Like in the kitchen, there's that store cupboard there behind there houses the meters for the heating and hot water. Like in the kitchen, you can see that the flooring in the bathroom is vinyl, so it's nice and easy to mop up and keep clean, but everything else is hardwood flooring, real wooden flooring. This is it's a single room, and you can see this is really good space. Such a large bedroom. It's not, you don't get one of these. I think, they used to have their bed here before, the tenants. You've got sockets over this side, sockets in that corner. They had a little kind of desk, I think like an office desk. I know that the lady used to study, so she had a study desk over there in that corner. They had wardrobes where the camera is standing now. Just plenty of space. And again, you see the thing that I love, lovely big windows flooding in just natural light. And like I said, it's lovely and warm. Okay. I think that's it. That's the end of the video tour. So thank you very much for watching. And if it is something that you're interested in applying, please do send us an email or a phone. There is going to be descriptions, of course, all on the links will be in the description, sorry. If you do subscribe to our channel, we are sending out all our videos, walkthrough video tours on the channel first. Subscribe, press the bell icon. You won't miss out on anything that comes out. And of course you can apply. These are for all the subscribers. We give you 24 hours a chance before the property goes out into the open market. So if you do inquire, register with us as well through our website. You can do it that way so you don't miss out again. And if it is something you like, let's bring you forward from a rental viewing, rental viewing application form. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Take care. See you soon. Bye.